بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. السلام علیکم. I hope you are doing well. My name is حافظ محمود محی الدین, your IELTS instructor. دوستو آج میں حاضر ہوں ایک نئی ویڈیو کے ساتھ آپ کے سامنے 2025 میں آنے والے IELTS کے وہ کیو کارڈ جو کہ بہت سے طلباء کے لیے درد سر بنے ہوئے ہیں. آج انہی میں سے ایک کیو کارڈ کو انشاءاللہ ہم ڈسکس کریں گے. جیسا کہ میرے ساتھ موجود ہیں عبدالصمد, اور آپ نے پہلے بھی ان کی ایک ویڈیو دیکھی جو کہ بہترین انداز میں رہی اور بہت اچھے ویوز اس پر آئے. تو ہم نے انشاءاللہ آج پھر ایک ویڈیو بنانے کا فیصلہ کیا ہے, اور یہ بیسیکلی ایک موک ٹیسٹ ہوگا اسپیکنگ کا, جس میں ہم لیٹسٹ کیو کارڈ کو بھی ڈسکس کریں گے, اور اس کے ساتھ ساتھ جو ہے وہ ایک پورا اسپیکنگ کا موک ٹیسٹ آپ کے سامنے پیش کریں گے. جڑے رہیے گا ویڈیو میں آخر تک ہمارے ساتھ. السلام علیکم.
وعلیکم السلام.
How are you?
I'm doing great. How about you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine. My name is Mahmood Mohyuddin and my number is 234 and your IELTS number is 434.
Oh,
And I'm your examiner today. Are you ready?
yes, I'm ready. Let's go
Okay,
ahead.
fine. Can I have your ID, please?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
So یہ ایک چھوٹا سا ہم نے ڈیمو کیا. اگر وہ آپ سے پوچھے کین آئی ہیو یور آئی ڈی پلیز, تو آپ نے اس کو آئی ڈی یا پاسپورٹ جو بھی ہے آپ نے اس کو دے دینا ہے. تو اب ہم شروع کرتے ہیں اپنے پہلے سیگمنٹ سے. So what kind of social media app do you use usually?
Usually I think I would go on YouTube as my primary source. I think because YouTube has like almost everything. If you want to learn something, different skills and all, or listen to music, it's the great place you want to go.
Okay. So do you have any plan to develop your own app in future?
Yes, I did go into game development like before, but I haven't made an app yet, like for Android. But maybe in the future, like when I go into university, maybe I'll touch on that field. Like when I go to cybersecurity, maybe I'll develop some features for Android applications.
Okay, well done. Do you really think that the children should use these kind of apps, social media apps, or not?
The saying is that excess of everything is bad. But I think like we should use them for our own benefit. Like if you want to learn something, you want to learn a skill, you want to learn like how I learned English. I think if it helps you, if it benefits you in the future,
Okay,
it is good for you.
well, so how cell phone is important to you?
Cell phone. I think if you're like talking about base cell phone, it is necessary in this generation. Like you cannot go out without a cell phone. You need to contact any police officers in an emergency, or you want to contact your family in some emergency, or you want to congratulate them. It's really important for friends and family.
Well done. So what kind of device do you like to use, like laptop or cell phone or any other device?
Yeah, I have a PC and I also have my smartphone. But I mostly use my smartphone. PC I do use for my programming if I want to do a little bit of that, or maybe if I want to learn something or talk with my friends or play games. Usually that, but my smartphone for like my daily activities. Yeah.
Well done. So as you know that we are going to jump into the second segment, which is called Q card segment, and I will give you Q card, and also I'll give you 1 minute, and after 1 minute you have to speak 2 minutes about that topic. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
So here is your Q card.
All right.
So your time starts now.
Okay.
Your time is over. So please give it to me and start now.
All right. So this energetic person, I would let's call him Harry. So Harry, I met him in Karachi during my trip, and this guy, we just usually like we met in school, and he was like super extroverted because I didn't have a lot of friends. I was kind of introverted, but he was super extroverted, and he had a wonderful energy. Like he always, if I was sad or anything, or the mood was gloomy in the room, he just would show up, and everything would just become like exciting. And he would always like maybe pull me out like to play games with others, and would encourage me to partake in different things, and that developed my confidence. And I think that energy is like really important in a person. Like it brings a positive vibe, and he really also like taught me to build confidence, so that also helped me throughout my life as well.
Well, so you've done second segment very well. So now let's talk about the third segment, which is called follow-up question. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, my first question is to you that what do you think that contributes to the person's energy level?
I think that if for example, like they're in a room with the people they are comfortable with, and then the energy, the personality that they are going to have on themselves is like different. And if they're in like in a room or with a group of people, they're barely recognizing that also, that impacts how their energy is going to be. But I think like meeting new people, especially, I think that is a thing that will impact a lot on a person's confidence.
Okay, fine. So my next question is to you that, do you think being energetic is an important trait for success?
Yes, obviously, because when you're confident, you put a good upfront. And for example, if you're in a company and you're representing the HR department, then if you're not confident enough, then if you're going to face other people, they're going to think that you're weak and your entire company is weak. But if you put like a confident and happy face, then everybody's going to assume that you are a trustworthy person, and then that's going to lead you to success.
Well then. So, how do you usually feel after meeting someone who is very energetic?
I think like a lot of energy is not that great, but I think in most cases, if a person is really energetic, it really helps them get over a lot of things. But I think it also uplifts my mood as well, and it helps me to partake in some things that I just couldn't, like I can't do it on my own. I would need that person's help.
Well. Are energetic people generally more successful in your opinion?
Yes, I answered that question. And yes, again, I'll say that if a person goes and like if he has good energy, people will recognize that he is a person that they can trust, and he's open about his opinions, and his energy will also help him do things quickly, and that will also lead him to success because he will be working hard for the things, because people will also motivate him.
Well done.
Yeah.
So my last question is to you. How can a person maintain their energy throughout the day, in your view?
I think admiring nature, honestly. A person can go out on walks but conserve their energy. Don't waste too much. Spend time with their family, and just do the things that gives their body more energy and flexibility, and that will help them day by day getting better at conserving energy, and then using it in the things that matter.
Well done. Thank you so much for your time.
Yeah.
So ये था हमारा IELTS mock test, और आपने देखा कि किस तरह अब्दुल समद ने बेहतरीन अंदाज में इसके आंसर्स किए. अगर आप भी इस तरह की इंग्लिश बोलना चाह रहे हैं और IELTS में बेहतरीन अंदाज में बैन हासिल करना चाह रहे हैं, तो हम हमारे इंस्टीट्यूट में जो है वो ऑन कैंपस क्लास भी ले सकते हैं और ऑनलाइन क्लास भी ले सकते हैं. मज़ीद ऐसी वीडियो के लिए जुड़े रहें हमारे साथ, और इंशाल्लाह हम मिलते हैं एक और वीडियो के साथ. अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज़.